Hi lovelies, another old upcycle for you. I thought this chest drawer was blunt, it needed a facelift, and I was bored. I wanted to be more daring as well as go with the 2018 color trends. I sanded all the surfaces and cleaned with white spirit and left it to dry for the next day. I used Wilco primer. Please note some primers dry white and some dry clear. Rust-Oleum was the talk of the town. I had to experiment and see for myself. I went for this lovely cottage green or sage green. I used a roller because of the amazing finish after using a roller on the vintage dresser. I got this idea that if you slightly brush the corners with the sandpaper, then you get this vintage finish look. Rust-Oleum has this lacquer that you use as a finish coat. Apparently it protects the paintwork. So far, so good. I added a little design feature on the front of the chest drawers. I used damask wallpaper. I painted the wallpaper cutouts with Japlac porcelain color from International. Then I painted the damask pattern with Rust-Oleum gold metallic paint. I had to test the gold. Wow! And I stepped back, waited for the paint to dry. And here we are, the finished product. I used wood glue to glue the wallpaper to the drawers and the handles. These interior colors inspired me for this design project. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the finished product. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for future upcycling videos and share with family and friends.